Greetings and salutations. In today's video, we'll be focusing on triangular-based pyramids. In this question, they're asking us, find the volume and surface area of the given shape, okay? We are given a triangular-based pyramid, and we are told to find the volume and the surface area of this shape. Firstly, what is the formula for finding the volume and surface area? If you do not know this, go check out my other video. So volume and then the surface area. So to find the volume, it is area of the base, and then you have to multiply that by the length, okay? And then for surface area, all you need to do is that you have to find the area of all individual sides, and you would have to find the net of this prism, okay, in order to do so. Now, let's get straight into it. Firstly, we're going to find the volume, okay? In order to find the volume, we have to find the area of the base. And the area of the base, so in order to find this, our formula is BH over 2. Reason why I put this over, it may look familiar, of a half multiplied by base multiplied by height, which is just basically saying a half multiplied by BH, and BH, every value is always over 1, so if you were to multiply this out, this is equal to 2 over BH, so I just write that out just to be a bit more simple. So the area of a triangle, so base and height multiplied by 2. If we were to look here, this is a right angle triangle. Why? Because we know that this triangle, this small little box, not a triangle, sorry, this little box symbolizes this is at 90 degrees, so this is a right angled triangle. So this is the height, okay, this is the length of the prism, which is 12 centimeters, and our base is 35. So we can just put that out, so that's 35 centimeters, and then multiply by 12 all over 2, which pop that into your calculator, and that would give us 210 centimeters squared. Remember, we're dealing with area, so that would equal to the unit being squared. So now we have to find the volume. I don't know why I boxed that, sorry. Volume is 210, so this is the area, okay, 210 centimeters squared multiplied by our length, okay? The length of this prism is 105. It does not look 105 centimeters, but it is. So 105 centimeters squared, which is equal to 22,050 centimeters cubed. Remember, we're dealing with volume, so the unit is always cubed. So there we go, we found out our volume. Now we have to go ahead and find our surface area. In order to do so, I actually recommend for you to draw out a rough sketch, okay, so we have the little base, then we have the two sides, and then you have the triangle right in the middle. That's what a prism looks like. I'm going to label these sides as A, B, and then I'm going to label this as A as well, just to remind us that there are two sides, okay? We're going to find the value of A, but then we are also going to have to multiply it by 2. We're going to have to double it because there's two sides of it, okay? And now for our triangle, we've already found out the area of the triangle, haven't we? It's 210. So 210 centimeters squared. Okay, let's just remind us of the lengths of all this triangular prism. So we know that this is 105 centimeters. 105. I know I should be putting in my units right now. I do apologize. This is 12, 12, and then this is also 12. This is also 12. I'm taking all the information from this 3D shape and I'm just popping that all into here, okay? And then this is also, if this is 105, then that means this is also 105, okay? And then we also know from here, this is 35, okay? This is 35 because this is our base, okay? This here, this in the middle, B is our base, okay? Now we have to find, in order to find the surface area, you have to find the total area of all the 2D shapes, okay? Let me find the area of A. So in order to find the area of A, all I need to do is just multiply length by width, okay? Length by width. So we would have to multiply 105, so 105 centimeters multiplied by 12 centimeters. So this would automatically give us 12,060 centimeters squared, okay? Do not forget your units, no matter what, okay? And then to find the area of B, same things apply, length multiplied by width. So this is our base. We would have to multiply 105 centimeters multiplied by 35 centimeters, which would give us 3,675 centimeters squared. that does not look like squared. Squared. So now, in order to find our surface area, okay? Like I said, we already know that A, we're going to have to double it. We already found the surface area of A, which is 1,260. But we're going to have to do that twice because there's two sides of A, okay? 1,260 multiplied by the base. Okay, this is B, so we're only going to have to multiply once, sorry. It's 3,670 multiplied by the two triangles. Okay, we're going to have to do it twice because there's two triangles. Multiplied by 210 and then 210 again. And that is that. Thank you for watching.